Well, the project is done. All set. Ground's a little damp from just watering around it to settle the dust. There's a couple of wet spots on it. It'll dry. As I walked around the cemetery while I was waiting for the concrete to set, noticed so many infants, so many children in this cemetery in the 20s and 30s that only lived for less than 5 years. Many, just like my uncle, were just 1 day or a few days old. But those were the times in the great, early leading on into the Great Depression and stuff. Really don't know why Uncle Harold didn't make it after he was born, but that's okay. He's memorialized. Grandma never forgot him. I know I brought her down here many times to see him. If we were out for a drive and she says, "Can we go by Hanover?" I had no qualms saying yes. So I loved my grandmother very much. She was a wonderful woman. She didn't necessarily disagree, but she just didn't think a regular marker needed to go in place. Right now I'm thinking she's in heaven, smiling, shaking her head and kind of saying, "You didn't have to do that," with a smile on her face, an appreciative smile on her face, because she was such a humble woman and she really didn't like people making a fuss over her. So this one's for you, Grandma, and for you, Uncle Harold. Signing off now.